What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best laser engraver and cutter 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. The Master 2S Plus engraver and cutter weighs about 7 pounds and can cut 3 millimeters of plywood or any kind of fabric very easily. With an engraving area of 255 by 420 millimeters, this laser cutting machine can cut or engrave acrylic, leather, wood, paper, and MDF with exceptional levels of precision. This laser cutting tool is easy to set up and has multifunctional keys for resetting and frame positioning. It also works with documents in different formats including JPEG, PNG, TIFF, SVG, and a host of other file formats. The Master 2S Plus laser cutter supports Nige software and light burn, and is compatible with Mac, Windows, and Android systems. This laser cutting machine is perfect for professional DIY projects and its software is preloaded with multiple graphics that you can use for a test run. Number 4. If you belong to the class of people who wants to unleash their creative animal the moment they get inspiration, you need a portable laser engraver, and which is better to go for than the LaserPecker mini desktop laser engraver? Half the size of your favorite soda can. It works on various materials like wood, paper, leather, cardboard, felt, etc. Moreover, the LaserPecker mini desktop laser engraver has a durable and highly functional laser head. You can use it horizontally and vertically with no limits on the engraving height. Number 3. 3D printer and laser engraver is a 3D printer that doubles as a laser engraving tool. So if your business could benefit from a 3D printer along with a laser engraver, this product is a hidden gem. Here, we will focus on the engraving aspect of this device. The Bebo can cut through plywood, double-color planks, leather, crystal, organic plastics, and fabrics. It has a printing engraving area of 214 x 186 millimeters, 8.4 x 7.3 inches, and an engraving precision of 0.01 millimeters, 0.0004 inches. The printing layer resolution is 0.05 to 0.3 mm, which is considered quite competitive. It's compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux OS and with STL, OBJ, DAY, AMF, BMP, JPG, JPEG, PNG, and GCODE file formats. This is one of the cheaper laser cutters and engravers, but it is equipped with a superior laser head and has effective heat dissipation with 2 cooling fans. Number 2. Tool D1 laser cutter and engraver machine, with 60W machine power, 10W laser module output power. Combined with advanced 0.08 mm laser spot technology and 0.01 mm ultra-high precision, it can cleanly cut 10 mm thick wood and 5 mm thick dark acrylic in a single pass. The engraving speed can be as high as 10,000 mm. The full metal structure design makes this Tool D1 jewelry making engraving machine and tool more solid and accurate. Tool D1 laser engraving machine adopts a modular design, which is convenient for users to assemble, repair, replace and update machine parts. Easy to assemble and easy to disassemble. You can finish the assembly within 10-20 minutes. Tool D1 portable laser engraver can be compatible with various mature engraving software, such as LaserBox basic software and Lightburn's. Tool D1 allows you to work seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, Android iOS devices. Engraving file format supports. Number 1. The first item in our list of the best laser engravers, the Order LaserMaster 2, is also the cheapest option. The Order Laser Engraver 2 is extremely easy to set up. Even a novice designer can handle it easily after a few trials. The parcel consists of several pre-assembled components, and the assembly part is nothing complex considering it took a neophyte such as myself 25 minutes to assemble the whole thing. The Order Laser Master 2 has a minimalist design. The laser module is installed on a square-shaped frame welded with extruded tubing. Moreover, it features basic mechanical hardware and a control board. The interactive interface offers a power socket, a USB port, and on and off buttons. However, this laser engraver needs a constant connection to a computer, so you should check the options out if you are looking for a wireless option. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.